Aloha from Arizona Stadium, where tonight the desert meets the islands as the Wildcats welcome the Rainbow Warriors of Hawaii. It's only fitting that we're enjoying a tropical night here in our little corner of paradise. A rare meeting between the 48th and 50th states admitted to the Union. It's an important game for both teams as conference play begins next week for the U of A. And in the Pac-12, of course, well, it's going to be a rough road for everybody, and you want to be at your best. Play fake, rolling right on a keeper. He's at the 20, at the 15, at the 10, at the 5. Nobody's going to catch him. Touchdown, Arizona.
It's nice to have legs like that on the quarterback. Dawkins explodes off the right side for a touchdown.
Handoff, Taylor finds a hole inside the 40, 35, dodges a man to the 30, down to the 25, and inside the 20, a first down. Play fake, Dawkins to the right with a keeper inside the 10, weaves his way to the 5, going for the pylon, he's in, touchdown Arizona. Play fake, looking to throw, the ball's tipped up in the air, and intercepted, picked off by the Wildcats at the 25-yard line, and Arizona will take over right there. Here comes the blitz. Dawkins now on a reverse. Around the right-hand side, there goes TJ inside the 20, 50, 10, 5, into the end zone. Touchdown, Arizona. TJ Johnson on the end around. Play fake, rolling left, throws back the other way. Wide open, Shun Brown to the 30, to the 20, to the 50, to the 10, to the 5. Touchdown, Arizona.
That was an absolute strike by Dawkins on the run. He dropped that ball right in stride for Shun Brown. Beautiful touchdown pass.
Here comes the blitz. Dawkins will take the snap on the keeper. 45, 50, open field down to the 40, 35, caught from to his left in the backfield. Takes the snap. Dawkins, this will be a keeper to the left-hand side. Sweeping around the corner. Turns it to the 5, dives for the pylon, and he's in. Touchdown, Arizona. The hat trick on the ground. By Taylor at the 30, 35, out of the 40, spins away at the 45 to midfield and a first down. That's why they love J.J. Taylor. Taylor around the left-hand side, out to midfield, to the 45, down the far sideline. Nobody's going to catch him. J.J. Taylor, 20, 10, 5, touchdown, Arizona. Has some time now. He's going to run straight up the middle, fumbles the football. I believe the Wildcats have it. They do. Dawkins takes a knee, clock will run out. The Wildcats win it tonight, 47-28. The final over Hawaii. Cats improved to 2-1 on the season. Conference play starts 1 week from tonight.
Take the win, had some guys compete well. Really proud of some of you young guys, but we got a lot of work to do too. You admit that?
Yes, sir.
All right, the good news is, all right, we get to get into Pac-12 play now. All right, we're going to play one of the top teams in the country, team many people pick to win the Pac-12, and 99.9% of the people will pick them to beat Arizona at our house next weekend. All right, what that means, one, they got a great football team. All right, but we have a great opportunity. You admit that?
Yes, sir.
So this has to be a great week of practice. Tomorrow, we got to fix the stuff we screwed up today. We got to fix it tomorrow. All right, then we got to have a great week of preparation. The next Saturday night, the entire country, you get to show them what level we can play at. All right, see that? All right, so hey, let's sing the fight song. Hey, just make sure you get treatment, hug a teammate, have a good night. Let's go.